Hi, this is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today, in our video lecture series, we are going to discuss about the topic deep recurrent networks. That means this topic comes under the unit number 5, that is deep learning. So come, let's see the what is actually a deep recurrent network. So deep recurrent networks, that is simply called as DRNN. It is a type of artificial neural network that's good for processing time series data like words in a sentence or musical notes in a song. DRN are made up of multiple layers of recurrent units that are connected in a sequence. So this is the difference, right? So DRNN are used in many real-world applications, including speech recognition systems like Siri or Alexa, then language translation software, and self-driven driving cars and music generation. So these are all some real-time applications of a deep recurrent networks. Deep recurrent neural network are well suited for time series processing because they can effectively capture temporal dependencies and patterns in the sequential data. RNNs have feedback connections that enable the persistence of information over time, making them highly effective for processing time varying data such as hysteric behavior. RNN model for hysteresis simulation is depicted in the figure. In this model, each RNN cell accepts the input Xi and the state Si and the output the restoring forces. So it indicates that the restoring force relies not only on the current input but also on the system's history, which is consistent with the definition of series. So here S naught, X1, FS1, that is this is one RNN cell and which connects to the next cell through S1, and we have finally we have n number of RNN cell is available like in this structure. So there are several types of recurrent neural network modeling, including L-man neural network, that is ENN, long and short-term memory, that is LSTM neural network, and gate recurrent unit, that is GRU neural network. Early research on hysteresis modeling using a recurrent neural network RNN often relied on L-man neural network ENN due to its historical significance and the limited computing resources at the time. ENN has been successfully applied to the model both rate independent and rate dependent hysteric behaviors in various systems. So let's take up the some classroom activity. So it is a rebus puzzle. We know already what is rebus puzzle. So find out the hidden word in this images by using some logics. Okay. So just you discuss with your team members and find out the answer, and you have to explain, you have to justify for your answers. Let's resume the session. Then hysteric recurrent neural network, that's HRNN, proposed or a modification of ENN that specifically targets hysteresis modeling. HRNN has been utilized to model the hysteric behavior of various systems and has shown promising results. Recent research has also applied LSTM and GRU models in hysteresis modeling. NIETAL proposed a deep learning model named HystereSnet based on the bidirectional LSTM and GRU neural networks to predict the hysteric behavior of RC column under cyclic redundancies. So deep recurrent networks, that is called, here we have HT minus 1. Here it will be calculate the parameterized vectors, and it is xt, it is given as an input, then w, and also it is given as an input, then calculate element wise hyperbolic tangent and ht. So let's take up the assessment. The first question is, what is deep recurrent networks? Second question, what are the advantages of deep recurrent networks? And third one, list the applications of deep recurrent networks. So when you specify the application, any write some detailed explanation for any one application which you are listing. Okay. And fourth one is, what is list the drawbacks of deep recurrent networks? Next one, list the difference between RNN and deep recurrent networks. Thank you.